In this video we are going to see how we can install Raylib on our PC for C++ game development, and this was the easiest way to install Raylib on your PC just by using the terminal. And now you can see as I'm trying to write the code for Raylib libraries, but we have not mentioned Visual Studio where we have installed it, so it will not recognize my code and it will show error. As you can see in this video, as I'm trying to write the code, it is not reading the line properly and showing us error. So in this video we are going to fix this, and also we are going to learn how to install Raylib with the help of terminal. Firstly, you need to go to GitHub and download this Microsoft VC package that manages C++ in Visual Studio, and you have to extract it in the Visual Studio folder. After extracting it, open the program files, Microsoft Visual Studio 2022 Community, and then rename the package and remove the master from the VC package folder and leave it as VC package only. Now right click and click on open terminal. Now you have to go to your browser and open the Raylib GitHub page. Now copy the third line because we have already installed VC package. So copy the third line and don't forget to add / in the terminal and paste it and hit enter. It will take some time to check and properly install Raylib. And now you can see the part is almost done, and now it's time to now let's copy the fourth command and paste it in the terminal by adding /. After adding /, paste this command. Now let's copy the last command, and this is the final step where we are almost about to install Raylib. So type / and paste it. It will download and install some files on your PC. It will take some time or maybe few minutes to install completely. As you can see, it is completely installed in our PC, and now let's open Visual Studio and see if it is working or not. Let's check the Raylib file if Visual Studio is able to read it or not. Let's create a CPP file. Now it will work properly and it will not show any kind of error, as because we have installed Raylib very properly. As you can see, it is not showing any kind of errors in the editor, and it is also reading raylib.h. That means Raylib libraries have been installed to your computer, and also Visual Studio editor also recognized the Raylib libraries, and now we can start making games with C++. And this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.